a star to shine, the longer the star will shine. Clarice, I love you, I believe you, God bless.
Uy, di ba ikaw si Rocky? Opo, ako nga po yun. And then si Clarice, gusto nang mag-hi sa akin. Sabi na, hello! And then, sabi sa kanya, oh, ikaw yung manager? I am just so happy with all the achievements that you have been getting. Now, this is your time. It's your moment to shine.
Si Ate Clara po ang isa sa pinakaunang nakasama sa stage na performers after I joined the Voice Kids. And I saw that she was really such a genuine soul. She would always talk about her family, yung magulang niya po, at yung mga pangarap niya para sa kanila ng pamilya. Kaya sobrang saya ko ngayon na natutupad na yung mga pangarap niya. Ate Clara, I love you so much. Congratulations on all your achievements.
Ever since po na nakasama ko si Clang, yung beginning, di ba ba, we both started po at least at ABS-CBN through the Voice of the Philippines. Very first season, first in Sarah, madalas ko po talaga nakasama si Clang, especially in this journey. And it's so heartwarming to be able to see her continue to just fight for her dream and pursue so many things. Sobrang deserve na po talaga ito. Big night nga dito sa Araneta Coliseum. Clang, sir, congratulations. We're super, super proud of you.
When I think about Clarice, ang word na pumapasok sa isip ko ay gratefulness. Kasi sa mga nasaksihan ko mga times na nagkakatrabaho kami, kahit anong ibigay ng Panginoon sa kanila ng biyaya, maliit man o malaki, makikita mo na tinatanggap nila ng buong puso, ng ipagpapasalamat, at talagang binibigay niya talaga yung 100% niya all the time.
Sa nakikita ko ngayon kay Clarice, sobra akong happy. Hindi naman ako magtataka kung umabot si Clara kung nasan siya ngayon kasi sobrang deserve niya yan. Napakabuting kaibigan, hindi nakakalimot mga gusta. At isa sa pinakagusto ko, nagkakasundo kami bukod sa music, pag-usapin pamilya. Ang lagi sinasabi ng mama ko dati sa akin, every time napapanood na si Clang sa TV, si Clarice, hindi lang pang Pilipinas yung talent, pang international.
When she sings, it's with heart and soul. Two ingredients na kailangan ng bawat singer, bawat actor, bawat talent, bawat dancer, bawat musician. Everything must be done with heart and soul. That's how I see Clarice. Lahat ng ginagawa niya, it's with heart and soul. I think with every other thing that she does it with an heart. And because of that, I think she'll be around for a long, long time now. I'm a believer of Clarice, and she knows that. Ilang beses kong binanggit yan sa kanya. She's an artist with a lot of heart and soul. Don't want